Before diving into polymorphism, we need to understand what the constructor and destructors are. So let's take a look at these a bit. The process of creating and deleting objects in C++ is not a trivial task, okay? Every time an instance of a class is created, the constructor method is called. And as the same, every time when an object goes out of the scope or whenever a delete expression is applied, the destructor is executed automatically, okay? The constructor has the same name as the class and it doesn't return any type. So while the destructor's name is defined in the same way but with a tilde in front, as you see here, okay? So the only difference between constructor and destructor is constructor is called while creating the object and destructor is called while destroying the object. And for a typo, the only difference is coming from the tilde in front of the function name. Okay? So to summarize, constructor and destructor must have the same name with the class and not to return anything. The only difference is destructor needs a tilde sign in front of the destructor function name. Okay? So you might ask that since the objects are the instance of the classes and if the constructor must be called while creating of an object, why didn't we wrote any constructor to our example till now, right? The answer is even if a class is not equipped with the constructor, the compiler will generate the code for one called the implicit default destructor. Okay? So yes, you don't have to write the constructors or destructors in your code, but it's a good thing to write them so that you can be sure that you are doing things right. Okay? The other thing that needs to be remembered is in the most cases do not call a destructor. Okay? There are some scenarios that you need to call or you can call, but mostly let the compiler do the job. Okay? Remember that I am suggesting to you that you can create in your class structure, but feel some hesitation while calling it. Okay? So this video was about giving a summary about what is constructor and destructor, and in the next video we are going to see more specific about the constructors. Okay? So see you in the next video.